You are watching Science with Asan Badham. Today we are going to solve a past paper of Pearson Edexcel International GCSE 91 syllabus of the last recent paper May 2025. So we are doing chemistry paper 1. Moving on to the first question, we have the diagram represents an atom of an element. Yes, it shows an atom. 1A says label 3 subatomic particles on the diagram. So there are 3 labelings we need to do. The first one is in the nucleus, which is shown by a black dot. You can label it as proton, and the other white dot we have in the nucleus can be labeled as neutron. The last labeling we have is in the energy label or shell, which can be labeled as electron. Moving on to part B, we have use information from the diagram to complete the table for this element. So the first one says mass number. We know the mass number can be given by the numbers of protons and neutrons, adding them together. So we have 5 black dots and 6 white dots, so we can sum up of them to get 11. So the mass number of it is 11. Next is group number. Group number can be given by the electrons on the last shell. There are 3 electrons, 1, 2, 3. So we can say that the group number is 3. Then we have the period number, which can be given by the number of shells. We have 2 shells, 1 here, 2 here. So we have the period number as 2. The last part is electronic configuration. So we know that electronic configuration can be given by the number of electrons on each shell. So the first shell has 2 electrons, the second one has 3 electrons. So the electronic configuration will be 2, then 3. C says give the name of this element. So we know that the element having 5 electrons in total is boron. It can be given by the periodic table of atomic number 5. Moving on to the next question, we have number 2. A small piece of lithium is added to a trough of water. 2A says state 2 observations made when lithium reacts with water. So we know that lithium is a highly reactive alkali metal. So if lithium reacts with water, it will float on the water and it will disappear, or we can also say it will dissolve in the water. So there will be 2 observations. The first one is it will float on the water and it will react. The observation will be lithium floats on the water. The second one is lithium slowly dissolves or disappears in water. Then moving on to part 2b, the question says what are the products of the reaction? Since we know that lithium reacts with water to form a metal salt, which is alkaline, since lithium is alkaline metal, and hydrogen gas, so the answer will be lithium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So the answer for part B is A. Then moving on to part C, it says after the reaction is complete, a few drops of universal indicator added to the solution in the trough. Explain the color and pH of the solution in the trough. We know that the color of the pH will be blue, since there is a formation of lithium hydroxide, and due to the formation of hydroxide ion, the solution will be alkaline. The pH indicator will show blue color. Moving on to part 2 or part II, we have give the formula of the ion responsible for this pH. So for making it alkaline, obviously hydroxide ion or OH minus will be responsible. The last part of question number 2D says lithium ions can be identified using a flame test. What flame color indicates the presence of lithium ions? We know that lithium produces a red flame color. The answer will be part C. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and follow our Facebook page.